Hi everyone, Tom Swales here at tomswales.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use a dowel to improve your front rack position with the barbell front squat. Most people will take this supinator or palm up grip approach. Sit back, drop the head between the arms and flex the elbows. Now, it's to encourage that thoracic spine to extend, the shoulder blades to get some upward rotation and stretch out the connective tissue on the back of the arm. Now, but if you look at the front rack position, the hand's not in a supinated position, it's in a pronated position. So what I want everyone to do is try and see how it feels as though you're actually racking the bar on the front of your shoulders. The other thing you want to keep in mind is when you're front racking, the hands need to come slightly outside of the elbows. If they're in here, they're going to compress. So you need to get a little bit of that outward rotation. So again, sit back. And as you do this, go into a little protraction. So push those shoulder blades forward, wrap them around the ribs, sit back into your squat position, and breathe. I'm going to show you the alternative in standing so you can get a little bit more serratus anterior activation to help pull that shoulder blade up and around to get a little bit of an easier. For the standing version of this, we're going to get a foam roller and a dowel or a weighted bar, whatever you prefer. We are going to start with the supinated grip position because we're going to try and encourage more serratus anterior work to help get that shoulder blade, that scapula wrapped around the ribs. So you're gonna lock out your glutes, keep those ribs down, hands slightly outside the elbows, protract those shoulders, and you're gonna roll all the way up. Take a breath at the top, and come back down. So you're gonna feel, if you've got tightness in the elbows, you're gonna feel that in there. There's a little bit more strain on that serratus to work extra hard. And then as it starts to tease out, put a little bend in that elbow to work on that tissue and that fascia on the back of the arm and the lats and the triceps. Now, watch that you don't flare those ribs up. When you get into those areas of restriction, you're gonna wanna lift that up and give up your lower back or give up that stability in your core here. Don't let that happen. If you hit those barriers, just hold there and breathe it out. The alternate hand position, more specific to the front rack, is obviously the pronated position. Same idea, just changing the grip. Lock the glutes, push shoulder blades forward, okay? Keep that neck relaxed. And you're gonna glide it up, and you're gonna bend the elbows. And you can stay here and just do kind of like these skull crushers. And I can feel a little bit more tightness in the right arm. I tend to have a little bit more tightness in this right shoulder, being right hand dominant. So you can stay in those ranges, but don't push into any impingement or pain. Just appreciate where you're feeling some of the tightness and work on that and breathe it out. Give those variations a try. Give me any feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to message me.